Welcome back. Today we're reviewing the WOLFBOX G850 PRO 4K Mirror Dash Cam, a smart rearview mirror upgrade that combines a 12-inch display, dual-channel recording, and built-in safety tech like ADAS alerts and BSD blind spot detection. Right out of the box, it comes ready to use with a 64GB SD card included, and it records in 4K upfront, 2160p, plus 1080p in the rear, giving you sharp, reliable footage day or night. Setup is straightforward, and once installed, it feels like a premium factory-style mirror upgrade instead of just another dash cam stuck on your windshield. In real driving, the front camera quality is the star, capturing excellent detail even in tricky lighting. The ADAS warnings and blind spot alerts add real confidence, especially on highways. You also get 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for faster clip transfers and voice control, though voice commands can occasionally lag or misread you. Pros: excellent 4K front recording, strong safety features, included storage, easy Wi-Fi transfers, and a premium mirror design. Cons: rear camera isn't as impressive as the front, and voice control isn't always perfect. Also, 24-hour parking mode requires an extra hardwire kit. Bottom line, if you want a dash cam that does more than record and actually adds safety features to your daily driving, the WOLFBOX G850 PRO is a solid buy and offers strong value for the price. If this review helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.